Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a project share featuring Scrap Diva Designs, and this is the last die that I'm using for the batch that came in last month. So this is the retro phone die, and it came with a lining and it also came with a backing. So this is the one I'm working with, and let's go ahead and get into my project. Okay, so this is what I created. I created a mini album, and I got so much inspiration from Paige Evans and Amber at Bambi Deer. I will have both of them linked below. Oh, I love this die, you guys. This die was amazing. I want to start off with this charm here on the side. These charms were gifted to me by Puchy Tats in a group swap that I was in last year, and I decided to use them for this album. I thought it went so perfect with it. I also made a handmade paper tassel, which I do plan on making a free SVG file for you guys for that, because I definitely need it as well. I've been making so many of these that I think I need a file, so definitely will be creating one. And so let's go ahead and get into it. I did use the Maggie Holmes Garden Party to create this, and I did layers upon layers, and if you can see, there's a shaker in the back. There's also a flag right here. So I did that, and the bee is so cute. And I also have a rosette right there. That rosette is from Creating for Fun, Lori. I will have her linked below as well. And then I put these flowers just like Paige Evans and Amber do. So these flowers are from Tim Holtz, and I absolutely love, you guys know I love Tim Holtz dies as well. And this is one of my favorite dies that he has come up with. So I did that there. I don't think it's currently available. You could probably find some here and there, but that is it right there. So on the back is pretty much plain. So here's the album. So cute, you guys. So I did a double binder ring, so plain back, and here is the front. So oh my goodness, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. Hopefully I have some room here, but it's pretty long once you open it. So as you can see, once you open it, here is the other side of the cover. And right here you can there's a little pocket there where you could insert a photo or memorabilia of what sort. And so this is what I included right there. Another Lori rosette. You guys have to go check her out if you guys need rosette. She is your person. And then the dangle, I love how the dangle is just hanging here. So I did mix collections. I used Garden Party, but all of it is Maggie Holmes. Here is the first page. So it's long once you open it. So here's the first page. And I love these flowers as well. These are also Tim Holtz. And I added a sticker in the back. Here is a tag where you could add some journaling and also add a photo there. So it's a little pocket right here under the house. So such a cute little scenery that I created here. And so what I did is I did cut the phone part for, you know, where you speak, and here I cut that part out, and where the dial is, I used that as pages. So that's page one, and I love once you open it, it looks like an accordion. So I love how that looks. So this is the other side here. I did add this clip here from Joann's. I believe it's Paper Lane or some sort like that. But I love these paper clips. They're nothing new. They've been around for a while. So that paper clip is holding this tag right here, which you can add a miniature photo there, and you can also do some journaling in the back. So I did clean it up and added that extra piece of paper there. And then here is the flower with a butterfly. So also did some stitching on the background there, and also did some paper piecing there. So a lot of layering and a lot of stitching going on throughout this album. So that's the first page, and then or that's the second page. So on the other side of the first page is this little scenery here. I added some seam binding. I added some of this old Maggie Holmes collection, and also added some marigold there. And then on the bottom there is where you can add a photo, or you could add some a memorabilia, and it just closes like that, opens and closes. And I also have some stitching, a butterfly there to decorate whatever's going to be underneath. So I love that piece as well. So such a cute little scenery. There's that. And then the next page is this right here. And I also, again, I added a little pocket, and I added some staples. I added a paper clip from Puchy Tats, and then this tag right here, and I decorated it with a fishtail banner, and also the heart that came in the collection. And the back is plain for journaling. You could add a photo there and then insert your photo inside there, just like so. I added a butterfly right here. It's layered and also stitched, and added some seam binding. So here is the last page. The last page is just for looks. You can also add a miniature photo right on top of the flower, or you can insert it in the back right here. So there's a lot of little nooks and crannies where you could add pictures and journaling throughout this album. And then the last one is another pocket with a tag, and it's also decorated the same as the others, a butterfly with a flower, and the back is plain for journaling, and you can insert it back underneath this pocket here. And the last one is this rabbit. Oh my goodness, this little bunny is such a cute little piece. I did fussy cut him from the Flourish collection by Maggie Holmes, and I added some paper flowers here, and I added a little pocket here where you could add this journal and add some journaling there, and also include a picture in the background there, or on top here, or on the tag. So that is the last page, you guys. And then if you can see, you can barely see it, but right here is, let me close it all so you can see. So right here is a little chain. I added an extra eyelets here for a chain and some charms, and all it is some butterflies. Let me go ahead and turn it over so you can see. So I love this album. Oops, I forgot to include that, but if you turn it over, you can see there's butterflies and there's a chain right here. Okay, so if you can see right there, there's some butterflies and then a chain hanging from there. It's just such a subtle touch that it gives. But you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if I inspired you to create something like this with this die, please use my discount code. It's V10, that's VEE10. And just a little discount there for you guys. And if you guys would like to see more inspiration using this die, please follow the hashtag scrapdivadesigns. It'll also be linked below so you can get some more inspiration from some amazing and talented crafters here in the crafty community. So like always, you guys, this concludes the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!